I better go get the door. Hello, Abby. Hi. Come on in. We sleep on the top bunk. So, Abby, what do you want to do now?
Let's play Truth or Scare.
That sounds fun. I'm tired.
Me too. Let's go to bed. It's morning already. Ow. What a lovely wake
Don't
up
be
call.
such a grump and fabulous. What should I wear? Time for school! Thanks for saving your desk, Frankie.
Alright, folks. Just copy the diagram off the board, and then you're free to go.
Hey, Operetta, are you gonna help set up for the dance? Of course I will, dear. Me too. Me three. Hey, we're all set up.